Hi everybody, my name is Sarah Lean. In this video I want to talk you through how I'm actually going to be organising the Glasgow Azure User Group this month. So I've been running the Glasgow Azure User Group for about 3 years now, and all of those meetings so far have been in person, but unfortunately due to the current situation with COVID-19, we're having to turn this month's event into a virtual event. I'm going to run this meetup via Microsoft Teams. I'm going to create just a normal meeting within Microsoft Teams and then share that with our attendees. I want to take you through that process and how I'm going to do that so that if you are in the same situation with your user group or event, you can actually follow this through and use Microsoft Teams as well. So here we are in the Teams client, and what we're going to do is schedule a test event or test meeting. So I pick the time of the event, I can double click on the calendar space, and I'm just going to call this a demo event. I want to invite my presenter to this event, so I'm going to type in their email address. Happy with that time, I'm just going to put a quick description in. And click send. What that'll do is that'll create that meeting and it'll send out that invite to my presenter. Now, in order to invite my attendees, I'm not going to sit and invite everybody because we have quite a large attendance signed up for this meetup and it'll take a long time. What I'm going to do is go into the actual event, and if I scroll down once it loads up, I will see here it says join the Microsoft Teams event. Now that's a URL that opens up. So if I right click on that, I can copy that link and I'll close down the event. So what I'll now look at doing is actually sending that URL out to my attendees through our mailing list. So you can see if we just open up Notepad here, what I've got copied. I've got copied this really long URL for people to join, and I'll just send them that, and then they can click on that, open up the Teams chat client, they can open up the client via the web app, and they can join. They can join anonymously, or they can join with whatever Teams tenant that they're using, so they can join with their works ID or whatever that they feel appropriate for this event. And that's the way that I'm going to be running this event. So hopefully this video has been useful to you. Any feedback or questions, please do reach out to me. Thank you.